Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2006 ECE paper, and the question is related to electronics. The values of voltage across a tunnel diode corresponding to peak and valley currents are Vp and Vv respectively. The range of tunnel diode voltage Vd, for which the slope of its IV characteristics is negative, would be A. Vd less than 0, Vd is in between 0 and Vp, Vd is in between Vp and Vv, Vd should be greater than or equal to Vv. Out of these four possibilities, over which range of voltages the voltage across tunnel diode is going to be having the negative resistance characteristic? Okay, so we know the symbol of tunnel diode. This is symbol of tunnel diode. It will be looks like T, and this is anode and it is cathode. That is nothing but P side and it is N side. And voltage across this one is nothing but Vd, tunnel diode voltage. P side is with respect to positive and N side is negative. Terminal is going with reference. And we know that one tunnel diode is heavily doped silicon, and the doping is in the range of 1 in 10 power 3 atoms. So the impurity is going to be added. For every 1000 atoms, one impurity atom is going to be added, which is nothing but highest doped out of all PN junctions. Okay, and because of this highest doping, the depletion layer is going to be very small and it is narrow. Because of that one, there is a special phenomena is going to be taking place in tunnel diode, that is called as tunneling phenomena. Tunneling phenomena. Tunneling phenomena is nothing but the charge carrier is going to be passing from N to P side or P to N side. That is nothing but charge carrier is going to be going through the potential instead of jumping into the potential. Okay, this is going to be a tunneling phenomena is nothing but here the charge carriers moves from one side to other side by penetrating through potential barrier, not by surmounting the potential barrier. Okay, in general PN junctions except for Zener diode, what actually happening is nothing but charge carrier movement from one side to other side is nothing but with the help of climbing, that is nothing but surmounting from one energy level to the other energy level. Whereas in tunnel diode and Zener diode, it is because of tunneling effect. Tunneling effect is nothing but instead of surmounting, instead of jumping into lower to higher energy levels, the charge carrier will move from same energy level from one side to the other side. That is nothing but the charge carrier moves through potential barrier, because potential barrier is very narrow because of highest doping. So because of that one, the characteristics of tunnel diode, if you are looking at, these are the characteristics. It is current, y-axis is, and x-axis is voltage. So the characteristics are going to looks like this one. Initially the current is going to be rises for a small voltage itself, and later it reaches a peak current, and afterwards it comes towards valley. This is a point, and afterwards it simply follows PN junction characteristics, ordinary diode characteristics. So if this is going to be the peak current, let us assume it is IP. At that time the voltage corresponding to this IP is going to be treated as Vp, and this is valley current. So the corresponding point is nothing but IV, and voltage corresponding to this IV is going to be treated as Vv, and this is the point which is nothing but cut-in, V cut-in voltage, that is nothing but V knee voltage, and from over here it acts as normal diode. Okay, during this portion it acts as normal PN junction, normal diode, that is normal PN junction. Whereas if you are looking at this one, between these two things, that is between these two, okay, generally with respect to Ohm's law, as voltage increases current has to increase, but as you are moving towards right side, that is nothing but voltage is increasing in this manner. Between these two points, voltage is going to be increasing from VPP VV, that is peak voltage to valley voltage. Actually they are not peak voltage valley voltage, they are VP is the voltage at which peak current occurs, VV is the valley voltage at which valley current occurs. As voltage is going to be increasing from Vp to Vv, the current is going to be reducing. So it is opposite to Ohm's law. Ohm's law is related to the positive resistance, whereas if you take this one, you will get it as negative resistance. So if you calculate slope for this one, slope of this characteristic is going to be negative. Slope is nothing but y by x, which is nothing but 1 by r, because y by x is nothing but I by v. You can write I by v is nothing but 1 by r, so resistance is going to be negative for this region. So this is going to be called as negative resistance region. Because of this one, tunnel diode acts as high speed switch, so negative resistance is found between Vp and Vv. Okay, so the answer for our question is the diode voltage is going to be having negative resistance characteristic, negative slope is between Vp and Vv. The answer for this question is C. Thank you.